Alright, let's revolve this region around the line x equals 1. Let's draw a representative rectangle. Let's draw a picture of the washer, from which we'll do volume of the entire washer minus the volume of the inside of the washer, the whole. Okay, representative rectangle. The large disk. The large disk's volume. The area of a circle, pi r squared, times its height will give us the volume of the circular disk. And the height is the skinny part of the representative rectangle. The radius for our large disk goes from the green line all the way to the edge, this edge of the representative rectangle. So that will always be from 1 to x equals 0, a radius of 1. No matter which part of our red region we draw a representative rectangle in, for example, if we drew a rectangle down here, that disk that goes to the outside always has a radius of 1, from x equals 1 to x equals 0. So that will be the volume of our disk. We'll accumulate that. We have y values going from 0 up to 1. Of course, we don't want the entire disk. We only want the volume of this one rectangle, which means we don't want the part of the disk that's outside of the rectangle, which means we don't want this hole right here. So we need to subtract the volume of the hole, which is itself a disk, with a smaller radius. What's its radius? So pi r squared, the area of the circle, dy is the volume, the height of the disk. So this will be the volume. So the radius of that little disk is this dimension from here to here. And again, so this x value is 1. And this x value is the x value of this slanted line. And that slanted line has the equation of y equals x. That's given in this little box. And so the radius of this black disk is x equals 1 minus x equals y. X equals 1 minus x equals y. Alright, that's pi r squared times the height. This is the volume of one disk. We'll accumulate these disks as the y values. Our representative rectangles go from y equals 0 to y equals 1. There we go. This is the volume of the solid revolution when region 1 in red is revolved around the line x equals 1. So the volume looks like it's 4/3 pi cubic units. All right. Just curious, what do you think that region would look like? Well, if this edge of the triangle got rotated around, it's going to go all the way over here. So you're really just going to see from the side view just a cylinder. But that cylinder is going to be hollowed out on the inside. Well, I hope this little video helped.